Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 23 of the practice exam 3 on chapters 6 and 7. Graph the solution to the following inequality on the number line. X square plus 2x is greater than or equal to 8. First, we will move the 8 to the other side. So, x square plus 2x minus 8 is more than or equal to 0. Whenever you solve an inequality, you set it to 0 and find the critical numbers. So x square plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0, and if you factor it, you get x plus 4 times x minus 2 equal to 0. This gives us x equal to negative 4 and x equal to 2. So on the number line, you plot negative 4 and 2. So the 2 points negative 4 and 2 divide the number line into 3 regions. Negative infinity to negative 4 one interval, and negative 4 to 2 another interval, and 2 through infinity is another interval, third interval. So note that we have made negative 4 and 2 as solid points because the inequality includes zeros. It's greater than or equal to 0. So we'll create a table, one for each of the regions. That's the interval negative infinity to negative 4, and then negative 4 to 2, the second interval, 2 through infinity, the third interval. And each one of these intervals we will take a test point and we will plug in into x plus 4 and x minus 2, the test point that we have chosen in these intervals. And then we will see the product x plus 4 times x minus 4 and the sign of that product. If it is more than 0 or positive or equal to 0, then that interval is part of the solution set. If it is otherwise, if the sign is different from positive sign, then that interval is not part of the solution set. So we will choose negative 5 for our first test point. So we are going to plug in negative 5 into x plus 4. That gives us a negative sign. Same way, negative 5 times negative 5 minus 2 gives a negative sign as well. So if you multiply x plus 4 times x minus 2, that means we are multiplying a negative sign with a negative sign. That makes it positive. So the inequality is true. So this interval is part of the solution set. Negative infinity to negative 4 is part of the solution set. Then we'll take a test point 0 in the interval negative 4 to 2. So we'll plug in 0 into x plus 4. That gives a positive sign. We'll plug in 0 into x minus 2. That gives us a negative sign. And then we are going to multiply the sign of x plus 4 and the sign of x minus 2, which is positive times negative. That is negative. As it doesn't satisfy this inequality x plus 4 times x minus 2 more than or equal to 0, then this is not part of the solution set. So negative 4, 2 interval is not part of the solution set. Now we'll take a test point 3 in the interval 2 through infinity. So we'll plug in 3 into x plus 4. That gives us positive sign. Plug in 3 into x minus 2. That gives us a positive sign as well. Then we will get the sign of x plus 4 times x minus 2, which means positive times positive. That is positive. So it does satisfy the inequality of the problem. So 2 through infinity is part of the solution set. So if we were to give the solution set in the interval notation, in the interval form, the solution set should be written as negative infinity to negative 4, box the negative 4, union 2 through infinity, box the 2. But the question is not about interval solution, and this is an extra information I'm giving you for this problem. But if we were to graph the solution set, draw the number line and place the points -4 and 2, and then shade the region that we found on the solution set. So shade up to 4 and then after 2. So you're going to shade -infinity to -4, and then you're going to shade 2 through infinity. So that is the solution set to the problem in the graphical form. Hope this video helps.